Hello everyone, welcome to Bhadra Academy. Now many of you are planning to appear for the CUET, that is the entrance test for the undergraduate admission. And so if you want to appear for the common entrance, you have to prepare for the compulsory paper. So today I am going to discuss the compulsory paper of English. This paper is compulsory for everyone to appear for the exam for the CUET. तो इस इंग्लिश पेपर में आपका सिलेबस क्या है, what you have to study and how the questions are going to come. That is what I am going to discuss now. So if you see here, the first part of your syllabus says that you have reading comprehension. So there will be three types of passages, maximum 300 words. So the passages can be factual passages, या narrative passages, या literary passages. So there will be three passages from where you will get questions. The second part of the syllabus says that there will be verbal ability. In the verbal ability, आपका syllabus में क्या है? Rearranging the parts of a sentence, या match the following. Then you have to choose the correct word where there will be like expressions are given, meanings are asked, what is the meaning of this, etc. I will show you how the questions are coming. Then you have synonyms and antonyms for your exam preparation. So for those who have no idea English paper में क्या आएगा exam में, this is your syllabus. You have part 1 and you have part 2, right? This is your syllabus. Now I will show you sample questions. What are the questions coming? For example, here you see, choose the correct meaning of the idiom break the ice. तो इस idiom का meaning क्या है? इसका आंसर होगा option 1 to start a conversation. Question number 2, pick the sentence that best conveys the meaning of the phrase to kill two birds with one stone. It simply means you target to achieve two goals or more goals with one single action, right? So the right answer option here will be 2. You see the other question, what literary device is used in the line, right? The silence was so loud it echoed in her chest. Now this is a little bit tough type of a confusion type of question, but we have to be familiar. This type of question आपको एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा. तो इसका आंसर होगा hyperbole. Okay, so now here if you look at it, this is the fill in the blanks type of question. This is grammatical question based on English grammar. Select the option that completes the sentence. Had I known about the meeting earlier, I dash attended it. इसका आंसर होगा would have, because it's the conditional sentence. In this conditional sentence, if the first part has got the past perfect, the second part will always have would have, then verb 3. So based on the rule, इसका answer is only 1 is correct. Now look at this question. Rearrange the following parts to form a meaningful sentence. This is called kind of arranging the sentence in a parts of a sentence to get a proper, meaningful, correct sentence. Now this is a little difficult. This you have to practice quite a few sentences before you go for exam. नहीं तो एग्जाम में ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. ओके, तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन जो है इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 1, that is A, D, B, C. For example, despite the heavy rain yesterday, the match continued and the player showed great determination. Similar, you see another question also. Rearrange the parts to form a logical sentence. The city's new policy, this one answer will be 3. That is ACBD. So the city's new policy, okay, that is the air quality condition has significantly increased. Okay, so you see the arranging part, it becomes little difficult unless and until we are familiar with the correct questions. The next one, this is like fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. Here they asked you what is the meaning which will fit in there properly. So the politician's speech was full of what? Rhetoric, candor, brevity, yeah, neutrality. Here it will be rhetoric. It is very easy. This question is not that difficult. It's a simple answer. It will be rhetoric. Select the synonym of pernicious. What's the meaning of pernicious? harmless, beneficial, yeah, harmful, yeah, trivial. Here the correct one will be pernicious, something which means harmful. Also you get questions like this, grammatical question, identify the grammatically correct sentence. So if you look at this sentence, neither the professor nor the students, because students is plural, therefore the verb has to be were. Therefore answer 2 will be the correct answer. Now look at this question, identify the option that best replaces the underlined word. Her argument was specious, convincing but false. It simply means misleading. Okay. Next one, the professor's explanation was so esoteric. What is the meaning of esoteric? It simply means very few people could understand. Yeah, some particular people can follow that. Okay, so the answer will be 3. So if you are looking at the CUET English paper, which is compulsory for everyone, you have to go through the proper preparation, and these type of questions are being asked in your exam. Okay. If you have any more queries, or if you want more information about the CUET preparation for UG, you can contact this number 8638391721. I repeat, 8638391721. Thank you.